Yoire maabitha a ugitiri mathaa 19 kung'ethanira na itoi iria iratharikire mukawa uyu na gucungiriria ikuũ cia andu 14 angi matanyihire 20 makihonia nguraro riri nao magana mugwanja angi marahonokire gikuũ ciarera.
We have confirmation that 14 innocent lives were lost through the hands of these murderous terrorists, with others injured. We are grieving as a country this morning, and my heart and that of every Kenyan goes out to the innocent men and women violated by senseless violence.
Gatagati ka 14 aria marakwirire mutino-ini uyu aria tuhotete gukurana ni hamwe na Tish Motindi, Abdallah Mohamed Dahir, Faisal Ahmed, James Radido, Banadit Kojalo na Jason Spidler. Aria maragurarire tharikiro-ini no makoretwo magitangikirwo thibitari-ini ngurani guuku mucii wa Nairobi ari hamwe na thibitari nene ya Kenyatta, thibitari wa Aga Khan, MP Shah na thibitari wa Avenue, amwe mari na nguraro cia rithathi aria angi nao magibatara urigitani wa naihenya kumana na kimako kuria aingi marikitie kurekererio na gucoka micii-ini. Kuhitukira uteithio kuma kuri maabitha a ugitiri na banene ya aruti wira na andu angi aria marari mihango-ini ngurani riria mutino uyu urahanikire ni marahotire gwithema gikuũ.
Over 700 civilians were evacuated to safety from the compound since the start of the attack through the early hours of this morning. The operational priority of the security services was first and foremost to safeguard civilian life.
Ona kuhana uguo namba ya andu aria makuite yaya gucenjia o riri family cia aria marakwirire mutino-ini uyu matinda na ihinda irito makigeria gukurana miri ya endwa ao nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Chiromo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.